Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this error in Red Dead Redemption 1, where it says access violation error code C plus multiple zeros and 5. This error typically occurs when the game tries to access invalid memory. This is typically caused by corrupted game files, hardware issues, software conflicts, or incompatibilities. It may also happen if running the game on an emulator or unsupported platform. Let's get through the steps one by one. The first few steps will be the easiest fix, alright? And a few ones in the end will require your attention. Alright, first up here, go ahead and go to your search bar at the bottom left, type in system update, then hit on check for updates. Wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, you're going to want to make sure that you have installed the latest Windows updates, alright? If you have available updates, just go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer, boot up the game, and see if it helps. Now if that will work, you might want to try to update your graphics card driver. The easiest way to do that is just go ahead and go to your search bar again and type in Device Manager. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. Once you're in here, you're going to want to look for display adapters. Click on your graphics card, right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Once the process is done, go ahead and restart your computer, launch your game again, and see if it helps. You may also want to try to disable your graphics card drivers. To do that, again, go back to Device Manager, right here, open it up, go to your display adapter again, click on it, then right click, then go to Properties. Right here, just go ahead and go to the Drivers tab and try to disable device right here. Alright, once done, just hit on OK, close, launch the game again, and it should work. Now if that will work, you might want to locate your graphics card software. In my case, I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and right click on this one right here at the taskbar and launch either NVIDIA app or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you have an Intel or AMD graphics card, you may want to go ahead and look it up online on how to install or update your respective graphics card drivers. All right, going back to NVIDIA, go to the drivers tab and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers. All right. If you do already install the graphics drivers and you still had the error, just try to reinstall it, all right? Because that update might have carried an error. Just go ahead and try this one. Then once done, restart the computer, boot up the game, and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in DirectX. Hit enter. As you can see here, there's a search result right here from Microsoft itself. So just go ahead and click on it. And there will be a download button. Just do that, download it. All right, as you can see here, it says an error because I already have downloaded it earlier, and this one actually fixed the error. All right, download it. Once done, install DirectX. After that, restart the computer, boot up the game, and see if it helps. Now, if that will work, don't worry, I still have a lot of fix here for you. All right, if you are running MSI Afterburner, just like in here, for example, I have Riva Tuner statistics as well. When I want to play Red Dead Redemption, I'm going to go ahead and right click on each, close, and right click on MSI Afterburner as well, and hit on close. Once done, launch the game, and it should work. Now, what if that will work? If you're a Steam user, all right, if you're playing the game from Steam, just go ahead and launch Steam. All right, once you're on the Steam app, just go ahead and go to the left side, right here at the top left, click on the Steam icon, go to Settings, go to Downloads, and simply hit on Clear Cache. This will take some time, but just patiently wait. And after that, don't launch the game yet. Go to the library. Locate the game. For example, this one is Red Dead Redemption 1. Right click on it. Go to Properties, Installed Files, and simply verify integrity of game files. After that, run the game from here and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, you might want to locate the directory of the game. For example, here. Right click on it. Open file location. All right. Go back one file right here. As you can see, Red Dead Redemption file is here. So what I'm going to do is just make a copy it to your different drives, all right, or wherever you want to save it. Right click and paste. All right, again, going back to Red Dead Redemption folder, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now what you're going to do in here, again, open up your favorite browser and paste this link. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. All right, once you're in here, you're going to want to click on this download button right here, download, and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, my download is starting. I'm just going to wait for it to finish. Once the download is done, I'm going to go ahead and open up the folder, cut it, and paste it on my desktop so we can easily located right here. As you can see here. So what we're going to do basically on this RAR file is right click on it, extract files to desktop. Okay. And as you can see here, there are a lot of DLLs right here. Delete or readme because we're not going to be needing that. Select all of these DLLs, cut, go to the directory and paste it down right here. All right. Once done, close this one, launch the game again and see if it helps. Now that still won't work. All right. If you have an Intel UHD graphics, mainly the ones with 520, all right, this will work for you, this particular mod. All right, go ahead and open up your favorite browser again, paste this link. This is the ones from Nexus. Now once you're in here, just go ahead and go to files, then manual download. All right, but it says here you must be logged in to download files. Just go ahead and log in, it's free. Once you have signed up, just go ahead and click on this load download, as it's the one that is free. Start download. I'm sorry, desktop, save, start. And I'm going to go ahead and close this one. Go to my desktop. As you can see here, the RAR file is available. Right click on it, extract here, doesn't matter. All right, delete this one. Again, let's go ahead and open up the directory. All right. So what we're going to do here basically is just again copy everything or cut it. Cut. Right click on a blank space, then simply hit on paste. Once done, close this one, launch Red Dead Redemption, and everything should work perfectly fine now. All right, I'm going to launch the game now and let's see if it works. Well, the one that works for me is basically updating the DirectX and copying the files from Google Drive, which are the DLLs. I'm sorry about that music. All right, again, the one that works for me is by simply updating the DirectX and pasting the DLLs from Google Drive. As you can see here, it is working. All right, normal, and there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.